Well, my friends, a case for a new dimension, a new aspect কিভাবে একটা প্রেসক্রিপশন করলাম সেটা দেখানোর জন্যই আজকের এই ভিডিওটির অবতারণা। It may be an experimental case for selection of a medicine based on peculiar causation. This gentle lady, aged about 62 years, a widow, suffering from cough, chronic cough for last 20 years. So, following uterine fibroid operation, she had big uterine fibroid, for which she was suffering from abnormal uterine hemorrhage and pain in the uterus, for which she had operated the tumor. But as soon as the tumor was operated, the cough had started. কাশি আরম্ভ হলো। জ্বরে হচ্ছে টিউমার ছিল, ইউটেরাইন টিউমার, অ্যান্ড দ্য টিউমারটা যে অপারেশন হলো তার কিছুদিন পর থেকে কাশি আরম্ভ হলো। তার কতদিন পর থেকে কাশি আরম্ভ হলো? 1 মাস 2 মাস পরেই, একদম পরপরই। Soon after the operation, the cough started. So this cause or causation has struck in my mind that the cause of the cough is operation after. In Kent's repertory, there is no rubric operations after. Many of the homeopaths know that operations after complains Strepsirrhea. There are other medicines I have collected and I have added in my repertory, causations repertory, operations after. The book will be published soon. See, this is the causations alphabetically. So I have given on rubric operations after arnica, bismuth, calendula, Knox-Baum and Strepsirrhea. No repertory contains this rubric. So I do like to choose the medicine Strepsirrhea. But only by one symptom shall I prescribe Strepsirrhea. So I have ranked the patient to find out other symptoms. Some of the symptoms I have collected. She is emotional, sentimental. It belongs to Strepsirrhea. Antim crude, Natrum mure, Ignatia, Pulsatilla, Strepsirrhea are very, very emotional and sentimental. And now another symptoms of cough of Strepsirrhea, cough aggravates from smoking of others. স্মোকিং, কেউ সামনে যদি সিগারেট বিড়ি খায় সে ধোঁয়াতে তার শ্বাসকষ্ট হতে পারে বা কাশি হতে পারে বা অন্য কোনো কমপ্লেন হতে পারে। ইন ওয়ান ওয়ার্ড, স্মোকিং অ্যাগ্রাভেটস। সো আই হ্যাভ আস্কড অ্যান্ড ভেরিফাইড দ্য সিমটম অ্যান্ড পজিটিভলি আই হ্যাভ গট দ্য সিমটম। স্মোকিং অফ আদার্স in front of him, by the side of him, very near to her, it aggravates. So smoking of others aggravates her cough. She is emotional and sentimental. And the biggest and important one, the cough has started soon after the operation of uterine fibroid. Some other peculiar symptoms of Strepsirrhea, whether present or not, I have asked, but those symptoms are not found. Cohesion during respiratory distress or cough or cohesion during or after cohesion, Strepsirrhea is a medicine, but I have not found that symptom. Toothache during menstruation, whether she is now at the menopause, but while she was running menstruation, whether the symptom was found or not, Toothache during menstruation, negative. So many symptoms are not found, but 3 symptoms, on the basis of 3 symptoms, causation, soon after operation, the patient mentally emotional and very sentimental, and smoking aggravates, I have prescribed Stevicegria 1M. Constantly she is coughing here also, and this cough is running for last 20 years. There is no particular time modality, there is no specific seasonal modality, there is no specific food modality, there is no specific lying down on the sides modality, etc. Only I have given importance to the causation. So this is a new dimension, new thinking of my prescription. Let's see the result. কতটা কি রেজাল্ট হলো তার উপরে নির্ভর করবে আমাদের এই প্রেসক্রিপশন কতটা লজিক্যাল এবং কারেক্ট হলো দেখা যাবে। তাই প্রথম দিনের ভিডিও না রাখলে পরের সাকসেস হলাম কি ব্যর্থ হলাম সেটা আমরা দেখাতে পারবো না, সেই জন্য এই ভিডিওটা রাখা। বাট আই ডু বিলিভ দি Stevicegria will improve the patient because the causation is very, very important, and homeopathy give the theory of homeopathy. Causation is important, peculiar uncommon symptoms are important, mental emotional symptoms are important, then Stevicegria will must act, I do believe. So let's see the result, my friends. I shall share you after 2 months.